All right, it's spring. You know what that means. We gotta get some strawberries in. I like to do these two different ways. One of the ways is with these stackable pots. I don't know what these are called. Anyway, let's get this started. Now it's easier to put a little bit of soil, then you put in the plant, and then you put the soil over that plant. It's even easier when you take the layer that's above off, so you can just dump the soil in. And you kind of want to stagger these as they go up in layers. What happens is the runners will hang and then they can replant into the bulb. Now this is my other favorite way. Just let them hang. Of course my boy wants to get in this action. Now if you use a pot like this that has a reservoir, this will keep it nice and moist throughout the winter so you're not, or summer, so you're not out here trying to just water every day. Plus someone like me that has all the toys that have other ways of watering. Think of things like pumps and solar pumps, but you definitely don't want to have to come out here every day in the heat of the summer trying to water your plants. Per usual, the soil I make, the well draining, slightly acidic soil. Look at these roots. This is what we're working with. And did you know that there's annual and perennial? Like you can literally have these come back every year. See what happens when you read directions? Now there's different types. There's the smaller berries. You'll get more of those and they'll keep popping out. And then you have the ones that'll be nice large ones like the ones you get in the stores. I like to try to get a little bit of both. Gives me a bigger harvest, a longer harvest. Do what makes you happy. Osmocote's my favorite. Super slow release. This will actually last a couple months, and then I'll add things every month when it comes to pots. But I love Osmocote. We are going to hit this with a little bit of fish fertilizer, and there's also some version of Super Thrive, the Star Nursery version. Star Nursery. Prevent transplant shock, and really we want these things to just take off. Now look how cute that is. Look, just have them hanging. Look how cute. Spinning strawberries. Hang them up there like that. This side will get morning sun, get shaded by like, I don't know, 10, not 10, about 12 o'clock when the summer really is going. And you'll just have dangling strawberries you can just pick. And with that, strawberry two ways, people. How do you do your strawberries? I'd love to conversate. Spring just makes me happy. I love this hobby. I love this hobby. Let's grow.